So these are wireless magnetic LED trailer lights. Come with a handy dandy little case. Comes with your 7-pin signal sender, 2 magnetic lights, your cigarette lighter charger, the charging cable, instructions if you can't figure out what I just did. Insert the signal sender into the wire harness. Turn the lights on. We'll do the same for the right side. And there's no wires. Right turn signal's on. Right turn signal, left turn signal. Guys, the magnetic, wireless, waterproof trailer lights. No more wiring. So these are the wireless LED trailer lights. Waterproof, magnetic. Comes with a handy dandy little case and your instructions, your chargers, your cables. There's no wires. The signal sender's plugged into the wire harness. I'm going to hit a turn signal. Left. Right. We have trailer lights. They're waterproof and magnetic. What else to say?